The Akko Monsgeek series, featuring models like the Fun60 Pro&Max and Fun68, positions itself as a specialized offering within the gaming peripheral market. These magnetic keyboards are engineered to meet the demanding requirements of competitive play, targeting a specific audience of gamers and esports professionals seeking a high-performance input device. At its core, this line of keyboards distinguishes itself with magnetic switch technology, contributing to a distinct and responsive typing experience. A key performance attribute is the inclusion of rapid trigger functionality, allowing for near-instantaneous actuation and deactuation of keys, which is paramount in fast-paced gaming scenarios. Further enhancing its responsiveness, the keyboards boast an impressive 8K polling rate, ensuring that every input is registered with minimal latency, a critical factor for precision and reaction time in competitive esports environments. Designed explicitly for gamers and esports enthusiasts, the compact 60% and 65% layouts are particularly well-suited for setups where desk space is at a premium, or where maximum mouse movement is desired. These smaller form factors remove unnecessary keys, focusing the design on core gaming functions. This makes the Akko Monsgeek keyboards an excellent choice for competitive gaming tournaments, dedicated gaming desks, or for users who frequently travel with their setup and prioritize portability without compromising on performance. As a custom keyboard, the Akko Monsgeek range implies a degree of user configurability, allowing players to fine-tune settings to their personal preference, likely including aspects related to the rapid trigger sensitivity and key mapping. The magnetic switch design inherently offers a different feel and potentially enhanced durability compared to traditional mechanical switches, contributing to long,